Hey, gamers! Welcome back to Drive Ocean. Today we've got something special for you, the Corsair K55 Pro XT, the absolute best budget gaming keyboard for the money. But before we dive into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for all the latest gaming gear reviews and tech updates. You won't want to miss what's coming up. Alright, let's jump right into it. The Corsair K55 Pro XT is a game-changer for budget-conscious gamers who demand performance without breaking the bank. I've been putting it through its paces, and let me tell you, it's a beast. First off, the design. Corsair knows how to make a keyboard look good, and the K55 Pro XT is no exception. With customizable RGB lighting, you can set the mood for your gaming session, making it not just a tool but an accessory that complements your gaming rig. Now, let's talk about the keys. The K55 Pro XT features fully programmable macro keys and dedicated media controls, giving you the edge in both gaming and productivity. Whether you're pulling off complex combos in your favorite game or controlling your music without leaving the action, this keyboard has you covered. Speaking of gaming, the K55 Pro XT uses membrane key switches that strike the perfect balance between tactile feedback and quiet operation. It's ideal for late-night gaming sessions when you don't want to wake up the whole house. And here's the best part, it's not just compatible with PC gaming. The K55 Pro XT works seamlessly with consoles, making it a versatile choice for gamers across different platforms. Plug it in, and you're ready to conquer any game. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much is this going to set me back? Well, here's the best part, it's budget-friendly. Corsair has managed to pack in all these incredible features without breaking the bank. Check the link in the description to grab yours and level up your gaming experience without emptying your wallet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with your gaming buddies. Until next time, game on!